Hello, everyone. My name is Shekinah Williams, and we are halfway through our field placement. So that is like super exciting. So I hope everyone is enjoying their field placements and enjoying the course. All right. So I am doing my field placement with youth between the ages of 5 and 18 at an after school program. Um, really, really, really enjoy it because my day job as a care manager, I mostly deal with adolescents. My caseload is mostly filled with adolescents who primarily have substance abuse disorders, behavioral and mental health challenges. So it's nice to get a break and just like enjoy the youth as they, engage in their after school activities. We do have some youth that do come down to the wellness center with like minor crises, but nothing major. And if they do need a higher level of care, then we will refer them out to the supports that they need within the community. Um, what I really enjoy about my affiliate placement is the opportunity to engage with different age groups and also engage with them at their level in things that they enjoy doing. Some are in robotics, some participate in swimming, some really enjoy art. So basically, just finding out what they like and just, you know, being there around with them and just getting to know them and learning how to communicate with youth because that can be totally different from, well, that is totally different than communicating with adults, and each youth is different. So finding those different skill sets to work with individuals of that age is what I really enjoy about the program that I'm doing my internship at. Um, Challenges that I faced in this field experience. So when I started, it was the transition stage of the end of the school year and the beginning of summer camp. So there was a gap of like 2 weeks of me not really having much to do, but really learn the program. So I think that was the struggling part because I was like, oh, is it really going to be like this when the summertime kicks in? But once the summertime came and I started running groups and running program, that it was completely different. Um, One thing that I have learned about myself through this program is that I have a lot more patience than I thought. Like, I have patience with my son and my cousins and little ones. But when you work with a younger field, you really have to have a lot more patience. With adolescents, there's a little bit more of a toughness that they need from you. Not so much, just a little bit, but with the little ones, they need that nurturing kind of feel. So that's one thing that I've learned about myself while in this program. So I look forward to continuing there, continuing to work with you guys as we take on these next 14 weeks. So let's do it.